Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to send message for the messenger for your Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to the standard. We go to the messenger application. Don't forget to tap on for the messenger that you have been to install it before. Okay, if you don't, please tap on for the done here. And let's go to choose the one of those for your application, especially my name. And after that, just finish setup. Okay, if you want to send for the message for the others person or your contact, you can go to search here, tap on for the search, and you go to the suggest name, or you can tap for the name that you want to be sent for your message. Okay, please tap on. And after that, for the next step, type all of the message that you want to be sent for your friends. Okay, for the next step too, there is a have a symbol send beside for the search symbol here, and you can tap on for the send. And now your message is delivered for your friend. It's a very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough to how to send the message for the messenger from Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Have a nice day and bye.